now we're run. I'm about to show you something your eyes have never beheld. He was a king on his island, but now he comes to you. But now he comes to you as a captain. He was a king on his island.
Continue.
What?
Continue. Okay, hurry up.
I'll show you what this thing does. It goes.
That's quite a face. Say breakfast.
Breakfast.
Say it again.
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Is that what you have every morning when you get up? Breakfast?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oatmeal today.
What'd you have?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal. Oatmeal?
Yeah.
Say oatmeal.
Oatmeal ball.
How about you? Are you gonna have breakfast? Mama, there's no mama here. Where's your mama? There's Becky.